Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Vaidehi and this video is going to be like all over the places. I haven't planned anything but I still wanted to film this video because I thought let's just contribute in making our Mother Earth more beautiful. And what I mean by this is today I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup without using makeup wipes. But I have these makeup wipes with me, baby wipes with me, but I'm not using this anymore. Also, I do have tissues and cotton pads with me, but I'm not using them at all because I think they are not biodegradable. I don't know about cotton and tissue paper, but I think makeup wipes are not biodegradable. They are harmful for our environment. We cannot replace every harmful thing with every good thing. According to me, we cannot replace menstrual cup with sanitary napkins in every way possible because there are people who are not comfortable with it. There are people who are comfortable with it. So these are some things that we cannot change. But I think using these wipes and tissue paper is something we can replace with using some good alternatives so that Mother Earth will not suffer a lot. So that's the reason I'm filming this video, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. So let's begin. So I just finished filming a video for Instagram which will be soon up on my channel. I think before uploading this video my Instagram video will be soon up on my channel. So what I'm gonna do to remove my makeup is I'm gonna use Parachute coconut oil and this microfiber towel. Now this is not for 120 or 150 rupees or 200 or more than that. This is for 23 rupees, like freaking 23 rupees. 23 रुपए और 200-300 रुपए के माइक्रोफाइबर टावल में समझ रहे हो कितना डिफरेंस है. I bought this from local market. I think I bought this from D-Mart. Don't waste your money in buying those microfiber towels. Microfiber napkins are much more better than that. Not napkins, this is handkerchief. Soft वाले handkerchief जो दुकान में मिल जाता है easily. This is that. So this is like the better option for removing your makeup. सो अभी रिसेंटली एक ट्रेंड आया था यूजिंग कोकोनट ऑयल टू रिमूव योर मेकअप. सो लोग क्या करते थे, कोकोनट ऑयल को हैंड में लेके पूरी तरह से मसाज करते थे. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर योर स्किन क्योंकि रिसर्च के अनुसार coconut oil can clog your pores. It is suitable for some people out there but not suitable for many people in worldwide. So I think it is not good to apply coconut oil directly on your face. What I'll do is I'll take my microfiber towel or napkin or handkerchief. I will pour some coconut oil like that. I will press it so that ये spread हो जाए. Now what I'm going to do is I'll start removing my eye makeup. So let me show you how I will do that. See, in one swipe, can you see मेरा eyeshadow निकल गया? It's here on my napkin now. I will remove my eyeliner also, my mascara. I'm doing it very soft-handed so that मेरे eyes पे कुछ असर ना हो. I mean मेरे eyelids और under eye area पे. And you will see सब निकल जाएगा. See. कुछ भी नहीं है, एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑन माई हैंडकरचीफ. सो आईलाइनर जो मैंने लगाया था दैट वाज वाटरप्रूफ आईलाइनर बट स्टिल यू कैन सी एवरीथिंग इज़ इन हियर नाउ. और मेरे आई एरिया को मुझे कुछ भी जलन नहीं फील हो रही है. आई हैव नोटिस दैट वेन एवर आई यूज़ बैक इन 2019 आई वॉज यूजिंग मेकअप वाइप्स और जब भी मैं इसको यूज़ करती थी ना माई स्किन यूज टू फील सो सेंसिटिव एंड कुछ जलन सी होती थी. बट दिस is a magical product, I must say. Using the same side I'll remove my lipstick and it's easy to remove. Let me take some more on my handkerchief, little bit, and I will spread it with my fingers and I'll remove my face makeup. So let me just go wash my face and I'll be right back. I'm gonna use a face wash now. So what I will do, see everything is in here now. So what I will do is I will use my face wash and massage my face for 60 seconds, because what it will do, it will get rid of my makeup completely, and then it will also increase blood circulation on my face. Do try it in your home. Massage your face using a face wash for at least a minute and you will see the difference. So let me just go and I'll be right back. So I washed my face using Mamaearth's Upton face wash, and that face wash is chemical free, paraben free, and has turmeric and saffron in it. It also has some scrubbing particles in it. I'm reviewing the face wash for no reason, but yeah, it's a good brand, and if you want to invest your money in chemical free products, you can really shop from mamaearth.com or .in, mamaearth.in. So can you see there is no makeup on my face, but फिर भी थोड़ा बता देने के लिए, this is the side I use to clean my face and this is the side which is completely clean. So let me just show you if there is anything on my face. See, this is just water, there is no makeup on my face, so everything is removed. Now I will do my skincare routine in front of the camera only. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है. I will just apply mist by the brand Good Vibes, and it's in the scent jasmine, which is so I don't know why, but my skin is already feeling dry, so I will use Mamaearth Skin Plump Face Serum on my face and I will be done. So this is how I remove my makeup using a microfiber handkerchief, and I think it is the cheapest and better alternative for makeup wipes and baby wipes, because they are creating nothing, they are just creating more and more pollution. So I think if you are a girl and if you are a mother who is watching this video, and अगर आप अपने बेबी के लिए भी baby wipes use कर रहे हो, then baby wipes can also cause redness on your baby skin. So then invest your money in buying such microfiber handkerchief, because they are good quality, they are soft to touch और इससे आपकी स्किन को कुछ हार्म नहीं होगा. Also talking about washing these makeup stains, इसको मैं वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल दूँगी. अगर आपके घर में वॉशिंग मशीन नहीं है तो थोड़ा साबुन ले लो, इसको भिगो के रखो गर्म पानी में. थोड़ी मेहनत लगेगी, कम ऑन, थोड़ी मेहनत करनी होगी. अगर इस धरती को पोल्यूशन मुक्त करना है तो इसकी थोड़ी आवश्यकता तो होगी ही. अब ये मत कहना कि टाइम नहीं है, इतना कौन करेगा. सुबह सुबह कपड़े धो ही लेते हो ना, अपने अंदर के कपड़े तो धो ही लेते हो ना, तो उसके साथ साथ ये भी धो लेना. इतना नहीं कर सकते हो तो छोड़ ही दो. आई थिंक जो कर सकते हो वो करो, जो नहीं हो सकता है उसको छोड़ो, लेकिन एटलीस्ट जो हो सकता है वो करो. सो दिस इज़ माई contribution for saving my mother earth. If you want to contribute in saving your mother earth, you can do it for sure. So I think I should go now. Stay healthy, be happy, be positive, and I'll see you next time.